In this exercise, we are going to start with this drawing, and in the end, we will end up with this illustration. File, place, exercise 8, click, check template. And first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna write the word blood. So I'm gonna need the type tool, make one click here. I'm gonna change the font to Arial, font style to black, and size I'm gonna make it very big. I'm gonna set it to 500 like this. Now I'm gonna select all the text and I'm gonna write blood. I'm gonna set the color to red, select and set the color to red. Selection tool, I'm gonna move the text and I'm gonna put it right here. Now I'm gonna add the effect of the blood dripping. First thing, I need to right click and click on create outlines. Now I can modify the shape. I go to warp tool, and with this tool I can start warping the letters like this, and I'm gonna make them match the drawing. I'm gonna move to the next letter. Next letter. Next. Next. Okay, now I'm done with the text. I'm gonna deselect, go to rectangle tool. I'm gonna set the color to black, and I'm gonna draw a rectangle like this. Right click, arrange, send to back. I'm gonna select both the text and the rectangle like this. Align, horizontal align center like this. Go to line segment tool. I'm going to choose the color red, thickness 10 points. I'm gonna draw a horizontal line like this, another horizontal line like this, and another horizontal line like this. Gonna select 3 of them, click here, and distribute objects. Click here, make sure there's the same distance between the lines. 3 are selected. I'm gonna press Alt and duplicate like this the lines and put them right here. Gonna select everything and click here, horizontal align center. Make sure everything is aligned. Now gonna take this a little bit down like this. Now I'm gonna click here and go to wrinkle tool. Gonna double click. I'm gonna make the brush bigger this time, like 300. Okay, and now I'm gonna add an effect like this. I'm gonna do it again and again and again like this. I'm gonna do the same thing on top. Several times like this. Gonna do the same thing on the lines. Gonna repeat this effect many times like this. I'm gonna go here and do the same thing. But I notice the text is being affected too. So selection tool, I have to select these, press shift, select the 3 lines. That way only the 3 lines will be affected and the text won't be distorted. Keep doing this several times like this, several times, and when I click away I get the result I wanted. Okay, one last thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna select everything. I'm gonna put this in the center like this. I'm gonna click, go to Pucker tool, and I'm gonna click, maintain, and drag like this. Go to the other side, click, maintain, and drag like this. Click, maintain, and drag like this. Click, maintain, and drag like this. Gonna put the cursor right here. Click, maintain, and drag to the left. Click, drag, maintain to the right. I'm gonna do it again. Click, maintain, and drag like this. Another one here. and another one here. Go to the other side, one here and one here. I can hide the template now, I no longer need it. And now the exercise is finished. You will go do the same and don't forget to save.